Hello, yes, it's me, Sneha ma'am again, and welcome to Learner's World. Today's topic is for the younger kids, and it's really quite interesting, so let's dive into it. Okay, so guess what? What's that behind me? Exactly, those are patterns. All right, so there are so many types of patterns that we can draw with our pencils, right? Okay, so I'll show you a number of patterns that you can draw, all right, like straight lines and zigzags and curves, and also curves are also known as waves. Okay, all right. So let me show you a few patterns that you can practice at home. Okay. After that, we are going to dive straight into shapes. Okay. And I'm going to show you a number of 2D shapes. All right. So this is the first sheet which has the first set of patterns for you. Can you see the first line? Those are known as standing lines. Okay, so straight lines which are standing are also known as vertical lines or standing lines. We have the next line which is known as sleeping lines. Okay, sleeping lines mean they are sleeping. That means they are horizontal lines. All right, moving on to the next one, we have slanting lines. Do you know raindrops? When they fall, they are slightly slanting. So we have slanting right, slanting left as well. The next set of patterns on the sheet is a C. It's also known as a curve. So a right hand curve and a left hand curve. So these are all patterns that you can practice at your home when you have time. This helps to develop your writing skills. It's very good for your handwriting. Okay, let me show you the next one. What are these? These are also a number of lines that you can practice. You have the U. It's also curve, but it's an upward curve. And then you have the downward curve as well. All right. You also have the wave and the circles and the mountains. They are also known as zigzag lines. Okay. So these are some more patterns that you can practice at home. And here I've made a few more patterns. These are slightly more difficult for the ones who want to challenge themselves, right? You have umbrellas made with a semicircle and a sleeping line. Okay, so that is something I'm going to teach you in shapes. What's a circle? What's a semicircle? Okay, and we have mountains. We have tall mountains, short mountains. We also have some intersecting curves. Okay, all right. So that covers our part about shapes. Sorry, pattern writing.